So, this is what's left of my Xbox. Shit crashed. It was modded. Oh well. Anyways, this is the Slim. There's the other one over there. This is my modded one. But it was modded. Maybe that will fix it. Maybe that one. I think that one did it. Niggas be like, I can afford a new Xbox. Niggas be like, hanging with the boo.